Okay, welcome back to the channel, my people. So happy to have you here. Hope everyone's having a really nice weekend. We're going to have a little special recap video today here at the Florida Man What Not Collectibles YouTube Empire Compound Diecast Collectible Stream area. And I want to show you some of the things that we found. What a great little week we had. I did go to my buddy's house yesterday and I picked up the box from whoever's selling it. It's not Mattel. I forget. Tangram sent me the box. There is one more on the way coming to another buddy's house. Hopefully we'll see that by Tuesday. Cool. At the beginning of the week, we had an amazing surprise. We stopped by the Hobby Lobby and we got the M2 Machines Hobby exclusive Mopar Chase. What is the deal with this thing, man? Scale 1/64, die-cast body, real chrome bumpers, rubber tires. Disclaimer, not intended for highway use. Buying one M2 may lead to more purchases and eventual collecting. M2 repaints like no other. What? Is that on all the M2s? I've never seen that before in my life. Is that on all the M2s? Is there a disclaimer like that? How funny, dude. So, this absolutely is a plastic body. There is absolutely nothing die-cast on it. Maybe it has real chrome. I don't know. I'm going to say that they just put that on there and they put that on everything because for sure that thing is just all plastic. It really is. It's all plastic. The whole thing is plastic. Very cool to see the Matchbox Collector's Datsun still coming in. We picked this one up quite some time ago before I even realized it was part of the 70-year sets or the 70-year whatever limited deal. So yeah, we do have a really cool Matchbox Datsun 510 rally car. It's so cool how they're doing the different color wheels, you know? It's such a nice little touch for the design. We were also able to grab a customized Bel Air. Love Johnny Lightning. Don't often get the mains. It's got to be a pretty special one. I like the card art. I like the color. I don't love the wheel, but it's a Bel Air. It's a timeless casting. I have another fantasy Johnny Lightning Bel Air that Boosted XB got me from What Not Collectibles, and I would love to put these two together and just kind of compare the differences because it's not a real Bel Air. The other one is like a fantasy, which I didn't even know they did. One of 12,450. Always wanted to open a Zinger. We have the 85 Chevy Silverado C10 fleet side. I like the paint. I like the red wheel. Do I love the paint? No, I don't love the paint, but I like the paint. I collect Zingers. I have Silverados. There's something interesting about this casting. It's the first time they've ever done that roll bar. So it has the roll bar there on the truck, as you can see, and that's the first time they've ever done it. I always wanted to open a Zinger. I really did. And like this one, I bought the cards like a little wonky. I absolutely think in a video soon, we're going to open a Zinger. We're going to give it the roll test. We're going to check the wheels. And dude, it's got plastic wheels on there, bro. Bro. They're plastic. Come on. So the Bel Air looks like it has a regular rubber tire from what I can see. Holy cow, dude. The Zinger is absolutely a plastic tire. Okay, maybe I don't want to open a Zinger now. Not this one anyway. There has to be some with rubber tires, dude. Okay, that's a little bit of a disappointment. I really thought that was like a premium style diecast, and it is not, unfortunately. All right, cool. So we have the receipts for those. We did grab a few more Boulevards. We have the Dodge van, the Volkswagen Caddy. People are sleeping on these, man. These are great Hot Wheels. Newer collectors down the line that weren't able to fulfill full sets will be looking to do that. You can really never go wrong with the Boulevard Wave, being that it's a Walmart exclusive. They make really, really great premiums in the Boulevards. We haven't seen a ton of fantasies this year. The Aero Sculpt, and I think that's it. They do sometimes have like a fantasy Boulevard, so I'm very happy this year with all of the Boulevards. Absolutely love them. Oh, dudes, I forgot almost. We scored the big Willie Robinson Gold Strike. Always wanted a Gold Strike. Literally every time I go to Hobby Lobby, I'm like, please, please, please. Because you guys started sending me pictures, and I just really wanted my own Gold Strike. I would have taken anything. Any Racing Champions Gold Strike would have been amazing. The fact that we saw the Daytona right on the pegs, dude, I mean, it was meant to be, right? I was due. I was owed. I was ready, and I got one, man. Oof, it's so nice. Here, let me give you a little better look there, a little comparison of the main. I know we have the main line somewhere, so I definitely want to look for that, and then maybe I'll do a cool signed card giveaway on the whatnots for one of the extra Daytonas. And then you can have a little trinket from the Florida man finding his first Gold Strike chase. I'm sure there's more of the main somewhere. I know I got some. I really like that car, even as a mainline. It's really nice. The Auto World X-Traction Off-Road 1977 Chevy Blazer Version A 2023 Release 1 Version A. It should be a blue Blazer with a dirty tire. We have a white Blazer with a clean tire. I don't know what the tire situation will be going forward. I doubt that this wave will have a different tire than what it came with, except this one did. It does not have a dirty tire. I'm going to put a picture right here. So, there it is. That was it. It's a blue truck. This is absolutely what we call the I-Wheels Chase. I'm very excited here to do our 5-pack swap on our Nissan cars. One thing I didn't show in the video yesterday, wow, was how amazing any of these wheels could look on the Nissan Silvia. Yes, I remembered the name today. Here's the blue monoblock just to give you a little preview. Hopefully that's in focus. It's kind of hard to see, but as you can see, dude, this is going to be an amazing car to swap. I don't know what wheel we'll use yet. I still have to go on the monoblock site, and I'm gonna DM them again one more time, and let them know what's going on here on the TFM channel, and hopefully we'll get some assistance to do some really cool Nissan wheel swaps, man. They look great. These are great little Hot Wheels. I'm absolutely going to wheel swap these. I'll keep 1 or 2, and then I'll give the rest away to you guys. Oof, the Florida Man Diecast Compound Empire Stream Area table is Whatnot Collectibles YouTube Empire mess right now. We did get the Honda. Let's check it out. You never know what you're going to get. I'm so easily disappointed that it's very possible I will be disappointed. Alright, let's see. Just kidding. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. There was only one R32 that came crushed or damaged out of the orders from last year, which I think there was close to 10 orders, and only one of them was damaged. So here's how it shows up. Just like that, nice and crooked. I was wondering how it was fitting in this little square box. Did it get damaged? I'm gonna say no. Very cool, man. Very cool, man. We got another Legends Tour Honda S2K and another stupid junk keychain. You can get out of here with that stupid Velcro itself, whatever you do with it, keychain. I don't like it at all. I'd rather have an Aerosculpt Premium in my pocket as a keychain. Alright, we're trying to get it out of here. Come on. I don't know why you're so stuck in there. Why are you so stuck in there, dude? Is something wrong? Oh, here we go. There we go. I don't think we... Oh, we didn't take the other one totally. Ow, wow, it's perfect. Dude, crispy. Crispy card. Look at that. It is so straight, dude. Wow, that might be better than the one I picked out. Wow, look at the paint, dude. There might be some paint variants with these. We'll have to get we'll get them all out and compare. That one looks really dark. The color looks super dark compared to the one I got at the Legends Tour. Dude, maybe there's paint variants, because they did have that with the R32. There was different colors from last year. I'm sure the Silverado, too. I just didn't see that many of the Silverado with my own eyeballs. Oh, interesting. There's not even like a receipt or anything in here. It's just the S2K. But yeah, she's perfect, dude. Let's find the other one in the video soon, and we will compare it. Or maybe we'll just wait till we get all three. There is still one more on the way. Hopefully it shows up just as crispy and as nice as this one. Wow, I am excited about that. So happy to not be disappointed. Thank you, Hot Wheels and Tangram. We also got some more 5-packs like you saw in yesterday's video. We have a lot of wheel swaps coming up. I'm going to have to just take a day and just sit here and just swap so we can have cool giveaways for the whatnots. I'm sure I forgot something that we found this week, but this covers most of the important stuff. But this covers a very good majority of what we found. Gold Strike, iWheels Chase, M2 Chase, some Zingers, some Matchbox stuff. We did get some moving part stuff. It looks like I actually left some cars at a register. Luckily, Ralph went to the store the next day, and they said, hey, your buddy left these cars here. It was a couple of the moving parts ones, so I don't know if it was the MR2 or something else, but whatever. That's what happens when you're with your friends and having a good time, right? I wasn't even thinking about the cars. It was just nice to see Ralphie and Mrs. Ralphie. It's nice having really good people like that in the community on our side. I met them through the community. I met Ralphie because we were hunting, and we were getting a little competitive, who could be where first. And then we were like, bro, we just need to team up, all right? If I'm looking for something, I'll help you. If you're looking for something, you'll help me, and I'll help you, and we'll help each other, and everybody will be happy, and that's what we're doing now, and that's the type of relationships you want to make with other collectors. Thank you so much for watching today's recap video of the week. Get ready, because this coming week our feet will be back on the pavement. We'll be hitting some stores, looking for some stuff. I know some Targets are getting H-case. I know the 2-car sets are starting to show up. Will we find anything?